Cause baby, who is she? Yes, get into her. Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing Miss Thing. Get into her. And if you're new here, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun, and if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, come on, let's get into Who's That Girl. You can watch me put her all the way together, and then I'll go about giving you her sneaky diggy detail. And you want to know who's that girl, trust me. Alright folks, come on, let's go. Let's get into this video. Alright folks, let's just go ahead and get into this video. So I got this wig from wigtypes.com. This is Outre Perfect Hairline Leomie. And she is 16 inches. Let me just go ahead and read off her stock card. She is 13 by 6, fully hand-tied lace frontal. She's glueless. She comes with a pre-attached elastic band, transparent lace HD, no plucking required, and she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Right here it just shows you details on how to take care of her step by step, of course. So this right here is what the stock card is actually giving. I got Miss Leomie in the color DRST4 Vanilla Cocoa Melt. And baby, this color is bomb. You hear me? The inside of the stock card just shows you what the inside of her cap is looking like. And of course, giving you more details on what she's equipped with. Now the back shows you a bunch of beautiful colors like strawberry gold, brown sugar swirl, pearl blonde, and cherry red. This is what Miss Thing is looking like straight out the box. Her hairline, yes, baby, Outre. Let me rephrase that. Outre, you definitely know what you're doing with these wigs. So the color melt on Leomie is vanilla cocoa melt, like I said before. And I'm not gonna lie, baby, Outre definitely knows how to blend a wig. You feel me? She is adorable. This is what the back of the wig is looking like. Now, don't get it twisted. Miss Leomie is a thick wig. She is more on the natural side. She's not thin at all. And she has all the density, okay? So this is what her HD lace is giving, as you can see. And the inside of her cap, she comes with the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and an adjustable elastic band. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into this install. I'm technically just going to fast forward through the whole thing. And then when I get to the end, as per usual, I'm going to give you my opinion on her. All right, folks, let's go. Now that I put her all the way together, let me go ahead and give you my thoughts on Miss Leomie. First of all, the color, the style, the texture is amazing. Amazing, 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 amazing. The only cons that I would say that I have for her is the fact that she shedded like crazy. So instead of giving her a 9.5, I would probably give her like a 7 because the hair was coming out. Thank goodness she's thicker than a snicker. So I'm not too worried about that. Again, it might just have been the wig that I purchased or the fact that she's a color wig. I don't know. Would I buy her again? Miss Leomie was under $40, so I definitely would buy her again. Probably in a 1B just to try that color. Where would I wear her to? Now, Miss Leomie is very versatile, baby. You can wear her up, you can wear her down, you can wear her in the middle part, you can wear her in the left side or the right side. She is a 13x6. So therefore, she can be an everyday wig and she can also be a dressed up wig. The way she was just flip mode squad just now, baby. Listen to me when I tell you. She is fire, fire, fire. And again, she would have been a 9.5, but your girl was shedding like crazy. So that's my opinion on Miss Leomie. Yes, I probably would buy her again, shedding or not, just to see if maybe another wig might not shed. But yeah, she's a good wig. She's cute. She's giving looks. She's adorable. I love her. Now, if you like what you see in this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one, and baby, she bad. She bad, bad, bad. You will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks. Love you. Bye.